Today I want to draw some holiday bells, but before we draw them, I want to show you some fun techniques you can do with your markers to really bring them to life. Notice that this is colored, just a solid color, but we left a little white strip or a pink so that it looks like it's got like a reflection, got some volume, and it's got the reflection on the bells, a reflection on the little dinger inside. And notice these parts of the bell are a little bit darker and the inside is darker. So kind of just some fun things to think about when you go to color your picture. So let's look at our picture and look at the shapes for drawing it. Now on this one, our bow is like a big rectangle and just full sides, nice and wide. But the bells, just a big rainbow shape again, close it up at that curve and that curve and that curve to get the roundness of the bells. Lots of parallels there. Okay, let's start drawing. Now my bow was kind of tipped a little bit, so I'm going to tip my paper and I've got my rectangle right in the middle for that center of my bow. Now going up to the side, soft edges because it's a soft bow. That side. That side. And then I'm going to kind of put this line inside. There's the curve at the bottom. That's how you get that bow that looks more three-dimensional. Now, my bell is right up next to my bow, so I'm fitting a rainbow shape right in there. I'm gonna come down a little bit longer. There, now I've got a little curve to the top of it, and I've got a curve to this side of the bell. I have a dancing pencil. There. Now this, I'm gonna kind of get this round shape. I'm gonna plan it, and then I've got my little, I don't know what that's called in the middle there, but it's at a slant. I can erase my overlap. But now I can adjust it a little bit. That's a nice part about starting in a pencil. I think my curve is a little off. There we go. Okay, now on this side, my bell is tucked under the bow a little bit. And I still need that same curve. And here we go on this side here. And this side. Now, here's my bell on this side, or my little circle for the center. Now I'm definitely off, but again, this is how you adjust with your pencil before you get your Sharpie out. I'm going to look at this guy again. Okay, now I'm ready to Sharpie. Now I'm going to do some erasing. Okay, ready? Get the bow in. There's our center. And remember, everything on the bow is real soft because it's made out of fabric. This side. There we go. Now over here, I'm going to adjust some of my drawing a little bit. There. There, the bell. And let's get my back side. Remember that when you colored it, this part is a little darker. Okay, now I've got to do some cleanup. I kind of made a mess. It's not a mess. I just did a few extra lines. Erasing is always good. Clean it all up before you ever go to marker or whatever you're doing to color it off. Okay, now I want to show it to you in color one more time. See how fancy it is. Ready? Go. Ta-da! Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We've got so many more videos for you.